mile specialty Mustang at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2007 Shelby GT Coupe, only 5,228 miles showing on this one. Original miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, dark clear coat with the gray vinyl stripes. Go ahead and take a look at this front fascia, grill insert, of course the hood pins. Those are all part of the Shelby appearance package, as well as that hood scoop. 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission with a short throw shifter, and we're going to get into that here in just a little bit, a little more of the details on the Shelby part of it. If you want to check out the still pictures, see the underside, the engine bay, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, the Powered by Ford logos, also part of the Shelby package. The 19-inch premium wheels. Those are original tires on there, just so you know. We're going to leave them that way in case a collector picks this car up, wants to keep the original tires. You can see the finish on this car. Very, very nice. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles. Same with the condition of the interior. Of course, the dark charcoal leather seats. There's that 5-speed manual transmission with the Hurst short throw shifter, Shaker 500 stereo system. Now, as far as that 4.6 liter underneath the hood, it does have the Ford Racing Power upgrade. 90 millimeter cold air intake, Ford Racing Performance mufflers as we come around to the rear as well, 355 rear gears. If you look at the underside pictures, you're going to see that this one does have the lowering springs, front and rear, dampeners, front and rear sway bars, all part of the Shelby GT package. If you want to check out the still pictures, in the still pictures, there is also pictures of the window sticker from Ford, the window sticker from Shelby. And that can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the shine. Glossy black. Really haven't noticed anything for major nicks, dings, scratches. Look at the door panel. Of course, the Shelby GT sill plate. There'll be a picture of the data tag in with the still pictures, power seat, driver's side. Of course, all your monitored amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. I mentioned the Shaker 500 stereo system, 6-disc changer. Check the exact miles. We're going to start this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. There's your exact miles, 5,228 and 5/10. Now that's going to change a little bit as we move this around our showroom and gets taken in and out of detail. But it won't be much. Take a look at the dash. Good shape. This is production number, we have here 1208. Looks like 07 Shelby GT 1208. Another plate up underneath the dash, or excuse me, underneath the hood we'll check out too. Nice sounding cars. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Undo the hood pins, pop the hood, and we'll check out that engine bay, wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, get a look under the hood. See the hood liner. Spotless. Does not appear this car has been driven in any sort of inclement weather. There's that 4.6 liter V8. Of course, there's your cold air intake. 90 millimeter strut tower brace. Take a look at the underside. You can see the sway bars. It does have the lowering springs and dampeners. Valve cover's in nice condition. You know what some of them look like on these cars. And then here's the Shelby plaque underneath the hood. 07 Shelby GT 1208. Real deal, low mile, clean Carfax, Shelby GT Mustang. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.